Hello, my dear students. So, today we are going to discuss the remaining parts of the chapter number 3 in chemistry. So, let's start with the topic separation of solid liquid mixture. So, today we will study the different techniques to separate solid liquid mixture. So, this type of mixture can be homogeneous and can be heterogeneous. So, the first method which we are going to study is sedimentation and decantation. So, what is sedimentation and decantation? The settling down of suspended insoluble heavy solid particles in a solid liquid mixture when left undisturbed is called sedimentation. So, if you will keep the solid liquid mixtures undisturbed for some time, so after some time what you will see that some of the heavy or the insoluble particles will settle down at the bottom of that mixture. So that process is known as sedimentation. So the solid which settle down at the bottom is called sediment, and while the clear liquid which you will see above, that will known as supernatant liquid. Now what you have to do, you have to pour out the clear liquid without disturbing the sediment, and that process of pouring the clear liquid without disturbing the sediment is known as decantation. So this method is used for a heterogeneous mixture of a solid and a liquid where the solid component is insoluble. So the condition is that the solid will be insoluble and heavier than the liquid component, like the example of sand and water. Okay, now see here, this is a mixture of sand and water. Now if you will keep it undisturbed for some time, what you will see, the sand particles will settle down. So this sand particles are known as sediments, and this liquid which you can see clearly at the above is known as supernatant liquid. Now when you will pour out the clear liquid without disturbing, so that process, this process is known as decantation. Now the second method is filtration. So what is filtration? The process of separating insoluble solid particles from a liquid solid mixture by allowing it to pass through a filter is called filtration. So what we will do, we will separate out the insoluble solid particle from a liquid solid mixture with the help of a filter. So that process is known as filtration, and the insoluble solid which will left on the filter is known as residue, and the liquid which will pass through the filter, that will known as filtrate. Okay, now this method is used for separating the sediments of or components of solid liquid mixture in which solids are insoluble in the liquid. So the condition here is the solid will be insoluble in the liquid, like the mixture of chalk and water. So here chalk is insoluble. Okay, the mixture of clay and water, sawdust and water. So some of the common filters used as filter paper are charcoal, glass wool, layer of sand, etc. Okay, now we'll study the third method. So the third method is evaporation. You are very familiar with this process, evaporation. So what is evaporation? Evaporation is the process of converting a liquid into its vapor state, either by exposing it to air or by heating. So it is a process in which a liquid is heated or it is exposed to air, and after that it will convert into its vapor form. So that process is known as evaporation. Now this method is used to separate the components of a homogeneous solid liquid mixture in which the solid is recovered while the liquid escape in the form of vapor. So here in this process we can obtain the solid, because solid can be recovered but the liquid will escape out from the mixture in the form of the vapor, like the example of a mixture of common salt and water. So salt is obtained easily by the process of evaporation. Okay.